is a big fat bug. We don't know what it is. Wait, Mommy.
No, I'm scared.
Just kill it. Look how big this is. It's like 1 inch, but it's still big. Oh my goodness. Here, you use this. Here, you do it. I'll do it.
No, I got it. Is he killed?
No.
Stop moving.
Cause it's...
Hurry! Okay, you do it, Nana.
Okay. Ah! It looks like it has wings. Ah!
It's not even dead. Move. Nana, you're barely...
No video. Look at this. It's right there.
No.
No, go. Look.
Oh, it's hard.
It's what? It's straight. Hurry! It's really freaking me out. All right.
Okay. Ready?
Videotape.
Too close.
Two.
Kasi, what are you doing? Stop moving around. Sige, masuot.
Go. Go already.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Careful. It looks like a foot. No, like there.
Hurry!
No, you do it. You do it.
Give it to Mommy. This is really freaking me out. This is a big bug. Please get us out of here. Look how big it is. I'm going up the stairs.
I can't see that one. Go down here.
Mama, just kill it.
I'm scared.
Look how big that is.
Hurry, then shine the light.
I know. I'm coming down.
But you have to leave outside.
My sister's gonna kill it.
Oh, I think it's a stink bug.
Just kill it. This is really freaking me out. There's so many. It's flying around.
Can I use a fly swatter?
Get the fly spider. No matter what. Here, you hold it.
Mommy, get me out. Mommy, let me kill the fly swatter.
Lele, pag mabaho yan, ate.
If there's a stink bug, I'm closing the door right away.
Don't touch me with that.
I don't think you killed it that good.
I know, but it went on the grass.
So we're never going on there.
What is that?